In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your Snapchat on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you a simple. You can see right now, I'm going to open my Snapchat and you can see it automatically locks. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So let's go in and start this video without wasting much of your time.
Tech Impact.
Welcome back, guys. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to open our App Store and we're going to make sure that our Snapchat is up to date. Because for this to work, you want to make sure that you update your Snapchat. So the next app you're going to be using for this video is called Shortcut. Shortcut is an app that automatically comes installed on your iOS, but you can also download it in case you don't find it on your phone. So now that you've installed the app, you want to close your App Store and we're going to open the Shortcut app. So from the bottom here, you can see where it says automation. So we're going to click on that. So the next thing we're going to click on is create personal automation. So from there now, you're going to scroll up and you can see here where it says app. You want to click on that. Make sure that you mark it is tick blue. Sometimes you cannot. So the next thing we're going to do now is click on choose app. So from here now, you're going to type in that app that you want to lock. It could be any app, but for this video, we're using Snapchat. So from here now, you're going to click on done and you're going to search for set timer. So from here now, you're going to click on that set timer. And from here now that it says set timer for 5 minutes, you want to click on that and change it to 1 second. 5 and it's changing the number to 1 and the minutes changing it to seconds. Now you're done. Now you're going to click on next. And from here now, ask before running. You want to make sure you turn it off. Ask before running, the board should be off. And once you're done with this, you're going to click on done and you are a step closer to locking your Snapchat. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to head into our clock. So once you open your clock now, you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says stop playing. So you're going to put that off and we're going to click on set. So now you have automatically and successfully locked your app. So if I'm going to open my Snapchat now, you're going to see that it's going to automatically log back. You can see right here it has logged back and I require my PIN before I can be able to access any information in my Snapchat. So in case you close your Snapchat by mistake and open it again, it will automatically lock instantly. So that is literally what you're looking for. So guys, that's basically how to do this.